name was She Khatun. She see no fort, no castle, no will of the king people. Then she complained to her father, sending one of the person, his name is Abdul Khan. When he go back to Shigar and explain about the worst condition of the Hunza, worst condition of the state. Then her father explained to him, I have sent them already those people who have good skill work, and among the bridegroom mostly were carvers, carpenters, masons. They settle for a long time within the state, and they construct this fort for that lady as a dowry, as a gift. With the passage of time, when the different eras of the king came, then they made an addition, deletion, and lastly the fort is complete. Back 400 years old, one of the prince's elder brother was awaiting the kingship according to rule, regulation, state of the Hunza, while the younger prince, his name was Jamal, also interested to become a throne of the state. Then lastly he crossed all the boundaries. Then elder brother very emotionally buried alive his younger brother, younger prince, standing tomb, standing grave of that prince, and his name was Jamal. While before Islam, it was customary to make a wine to warm up their bodies in the winter, wine poured wine cellar. While that is a small dungeon jail, those people were thrown down from the up who are really making a trouble for the royal family and not paying the taxes. While these small windows, we two states across the river, that's called Nagar state, this is the Hunza. And these two small states were exist up under the Pakistan 73-74. When the Prime Minister Farali Bhattu came into power, he abolished these two states and centralized into federal government. Regarding the restoration of all these forts, Shigar, Apollo, Altit Fort, restored by Ahan Trust for Culture. The main office is Geneva, Switzerland, while within the country we call them Ahan Cultural Service, Pakistan. The main office of all these forts is in Lahore Wall City, with the collaboration of Punjab government, the same institution, the same organization restoring the Lahore Fort is. So please. States were exist. Among those states across the river, that's called Nagar state, this is the Hunza. And these two states were exist up to 73, 74, and these were twins brother. One is called Molot, the other is called Girgis. And they both are fighting just for nothing for the dominancy, to become a, and they are interested to become a throne of the Hunza state. And lastly, their father split into two. One availed the Nagar state, the other guy availed the Hunza. While the Hunza king making his plan, conference, and sometimes issues are raising between the communities. The engineer, this is cooking out of that era, which locally we call them baloch, metamorphic stone. When we got relation with China in terms of trade, then we came from Stone Age to iron. After arrival of the British controlled these two states 1891. The basic aim of controlling these stores, great game of that era. And after arrival of the British, then we linked to the Kashmir. Through the Silk Route, it was too lengthy, so people of this area tried to shortcut. After 14 days, they reached to the Shigar, Kapul, Karman, Daras, Kargil, and Kashmir. So such a things came through this route. What's measuring pot? It has a different sizes. In olden time, the stuff was not exchanged through hand to hand. They put them inside the bowl and offer them. When the requirement was fulfilled, then they return on the same bowl using butter system of that. What's a wooden box? It has a two portion. One is specified.